Picture this. It's early morning. The sun peeks through your window as you stumble into the kitchen. You grab a bowl, reach for that bright yellow box and tear open the bag. Breakfast's toasty aroma fills the air. Golden flakes pour out, rustling like tiny leaves. You add milk and suddenly your bowl crackles and pops, a tiny symphony. That first bite, loud, crunchy and satisfying. But have you ever wondered how a simple kernel of corn becomes this perfect breakfast? Behind every flake is a story of hard work, massive machines, and a process refined over a century. It all starts in a field and ends in a factory that churns out over 1 million boxes a day. Today we'll pull back the curtain and follow the journey from cornfield to kitchen table. We'll see giant cookers, powerful rollers, and ovens hotter than you'd believe. It's a dirty job, but someone's gotta do it. And the result? That perfect, crunchy bite that starts your day. Ready to see how it's made? Let's begin. Our story begins in sprawling fields, where farmers grow a special, starchy field corn. After harvest, truckloads of tough kernels arrive at the factory. First, up-quality check. Only the best kernels make the cut. Next, the corn is cleaned. Machines shake, rattle, and blow away dust, husks, and stones. What's left? Pure, clean kernels. But a whole kernel is too tough for cereal, so it's cracked open. The goals separate the hard shell, oily germ, and starchy endosperm. Only the endosperm, the heart of the kernel, becomes cereal. The rest is used for animal feed or oil. The result, gritty, sand-like corn grits, bland but ready for transformation. Millions of these grits travel through the factory every hour. Their next stop, the cookers, where the real magic begins. Let's see how they're cooked. The corn grits enter massive industrial pressure cookers. Here they're mixed with water, sugar, salt, and a secret malt flavoring. Steam and pressure turn bland grits into golden, flavorful lumps. The process is precise. Timing and temperature must be perfect. When done, the grits are soft, sweet-smelling, and nothing like the hard kernels they once were. These cooker lumps tumble onto conveyors, sticky and clumped together. Next, they're gently broken up and dried, forming pieces about the size of a cornflake. Then they rest in giant bins, allowing moisture to distribute evenly. This step is crucial for that signature crispy texture. It's a brief pause before the action ramps up again. The next stage, flaking. Here's where the transformation gets dramatic. Rested and dried, the grits face their biggest challenge, the flaking mill. Two massive steel rollers spinning at high speed flatten each grit into a paper-thin flake. The pressure is immense, tons of force in a split second. Flake thickness is measured in fractions of a millimeter for perfect crunch. Too thick and they're chewy, too thin and they crumble. Engineers monitor the process constantly. The result, a continuous ribbon of soft, pale flakes, not yet crunchy. Their iconic shape is set, but the final crunch is still to come. Millions of flakes pour out every minute, ready for the last transformation. Next stop, the toasting ovens. Let's see how they get their golden crunch. The soft flakes travel into giant toasting ovens, fiery tunnels stretching hundreds of feet. Inside, intense heat toasts each flake to golden perfection, creating that signature crunch. The aroma? Pure breakfast heaven. Emerging hot and crispy, the flakes are cooled by blasts of air to lock in freshness. Now, high-speed machines weigh and drop the perfect amount into waxy bags. Bags are sealed, boxed, and stamped in a blur of automation. Robots stack and wrap pallets, loading over 1 million boxes onto trucks daily. From field to factory to your table, it's a marvel of engineering and teamwork. So next time you pour a bowl, remember the journey behind every crunchy bite. It's more than breakfast. It's a story of innovation and dedication, and that's the secret behind your morning symphony of crunch. Thanks for joining us on this journey. Enjoy your next bowl.